So how to install MD Vinyl Music Widget app? So it's pretty easy. So first you need to download the app itself, and then you need to connect your Spotify or Apple Music there. So if you just open the app, so you need to make sure that in settings that your either Spotify or Apple Music are connected, and to add a widget, just basically tap and hold on any screen where you want to add the widget. So if you want to add insert screen, just tap and hold there and just go to the screen where you want that. A lot of people want that on home screen. I just shown you here on search screen. Then tap a plus icon in top left, or on older iPhones it will be in top right. Then you just need to search for MD vinyl. And there you have it. Here you have a selection from 4 widgets. Some people can't see MD vinyl displayed here for some reason. So just try to restart the app, restart your iPhone, and try to connect your Spotify to MD vinyl. Try to play at least one song. I hope that should solve it. And now you have 4 sizes of widgets. You have small, you have horizontal, bigger one, you have huge one on half of your screen, and then you have controls. So here, for example, I can just select this and add this widget because it's pretty compact and minimalistic. And then basically if I will play some song on Spotify, it will be reflected here and the vinyl will start moving, and yeah, it looks kind of fun. So then just tap and hold, you can edit widget. And then if you want in this widget type, you can select to show controls and show the allow button to bookmark. If you add another widget, for example, let's try to add like very small one. I don't think there is possibility to add controls. So if I just tap and hold, I can just show music info, but sometimes I can just hide it like this. So it's more minimalistic one. Then, okay, let's just add another one. So MD vinyl, and then let's just add like just controls. So if I want to have some controls here, so that's about it. And then just edit widget, and then these are controls which I can use like to skip to the next song, to play and pause, to bookmark, or go to previous song. Because in this widget you only have go to next song, play, and bookmark. Here you can also go to previous, but there you have it. So that's that. So to remove the widget, tap on any widget, tap remove, also tap remove, and finally let's just add the biggest one. So here is MTV, and then the bigger one is just on the half of the screen, literally. So if you like stuff like that, you can also just add it here. So something around it. Hope you enjoy this app. It's fun.